UPaul Makaula ungaphandle ngoshwele njengoba esadonsa isigwebo secala lokubulala walahlwa icala lokubulala ngo-2010 wakhululwa eminyakeni emithathu edlule. Lo msolwa oneminyaka engama-36 ukhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela ngolwesithathu ngemva kokushaya indiva isexwayiso samaphoyisa.
Mr. Makaula, the current charge against you is malicious injury to property. The state and your attorney and for this matter will be remanded for further investigations. I believe I am good to understand that involves them envisaging adding other counts, other charges to 25 March 2022.
Isizathu salesigameko sokuhlasela asikaziwa kanti yacacile ukuthi ingabe siyaxhumana nomlilo ongqongqose iParliament ekuqaleni kwaleli sonto.
Once the investigation process progresses, we'll be in a better position to tell whether or not this is a political motivated act or it's just an individual act, and whether or not it's linked to the Cape Town one. Investigations are ongoing, but at this point we don't have information that suggests that this case is linked to what happened in the Western Cape.
INPA ithi ibheka lesigameko esenzeke enkantolo ephakeme kunazo zonke kuleli njengokuhlaselwa kokusebenza komthetho kuleli.